Hey guys, it's Allison. Welcome back to my channel. So if you guys have been subscribed for a while, you'd know that I love colored contacts and I used to film so many colored contact videos. So today I decided to bring it back and show you guys basically the best colored contacts for dark eyes. I'm going to be showing you guys the Soloriga Hydrocore contacts from like just the regular collection and the Rio collection. I personally get all my contacts from visionmarketplace.com. So if you guys like anything you see in this video, feel free to use my code AllieB to get some money off your purchase, because these contacts aren't cheap, but they are freaking amazing, which is why I'm sharing it with you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the Rio collection because I feel like that's just the most exciting. So the contacts come in boxes like these. So the first one I'm gonna try on for you guys is Ipanema and Ipanema, and I don't really know. So Ipanema has really pretty green undertones and it has like a blue ring around it. I think it's a really fun color. Definitely looks super natural on me. I love it. So this is Ipanema in front of a window, natural lighting. So this is basically how it would look if you guys got it. Super natural. I think the best way to show it is in natural lighting because you can really see the colors. Oh, and just in case you're wondering, here's like the difference with like one eye black and one eye just like with the contacts. As you can see, it looks super natural. Now I'm going to be trying out Buzios. Ipanema was a very nice, pretty green color with a blue outline. So it's like green blue, but this is a green color, but it's like a darker green. Already you guys can see like the difference between Buzios and Ipanema. This is definitely a darker green. I feel like it's like a forest green almost. Super natural, very pretty. Okay, so Buzios in fluorescent lighting. I feel like this is the most realistic because we're mostly in fluorescent lights throughout the day. And now Buzios in front of a brighter window. So this is half. Oh, the sun is really coming out now. So that's it for the Rio collection. We're gonna move on to the regular Soloriga Hydrocore collection. So I have for you guys Ochre, one of my favorite hazel colors. So freaking pretty, oh my gosh. I cannot see without my glasses, so this is like a task for me right now. I can't even see the camera. I wanted to wear my glasses, but they're like giving off this weird glare, so I just have to basically wing it. Ooh, this is so cute. I love this. So this is Ochre compared to my dark brown eyes. Honestly, they look so real. This is a really pretty hazel color. If you guys are watching this and thinking, oh my gosh, I wish she would have tried on Avila, I actually do have a video on Avila. I'll link that down below. But this is super pretty. I love Ochre. Trying to get really up close so you guys can see. This side of my house brings in more warm lighting and my room brings in like cooler lighting. So that's why I'm showing you guys all these different angles. And this is in direct sunlight. If you're just looking for something to just like, you know, dive into the contact world, I definitely recommend these. They're subtle, natural, and very pretty. Soloriga actually sells another pair of hazel contacts, but they are a little bit darker. So I really like these because they're a lighter hazel and super pretty and look really nice with dark brown eyes. So I definitely saved the best for last because this next color is my favorite, like my all-time favorite color. So I'm trying on the Soloriga Hydrocore Ambar. These are so pretty, oh my goodness. I love these so much. So this is Ambar in comparison to my dark brown eyes. Do you guys see this? These are so pretty. So I just want to talk with you guys about how the contacts feel throughout the day and all that stuff, because I feel like that's super important and some people just leave that out. I recommend when you first get the contacts, you just soak them in the contact solution for a couple of hours. I think doing that just helps them feel more comfortable when you actually wear them. And I also think that people need to keep in mind that these aren't the same as contacts that you get from your doctor. So you can't expect them to feel as comfortable as those contacts. Though they do feel comfortable, they're never going to feel exactly the same. If you've never worn prescription contacts, you will not know the difference. So that's just ignore that point. If I put these on in the morning, they basically feel comfortable all day. They start to get a little dry maybe after sometimes 8 hours, sometimes 10 hours. It really depends on my eyes that day, I guess. So I used to say in my other videos that I had astigmatism and these contacts aren't for people with astigmatism, but I would wear them anyway. I had slight astigmatism, so I didn't really care. Not that I'm encouraging you guys to buy these contacts if you have astigmatism. Just want to let you guys know I no longer have astigmatism, which is really crazy. I recently went to the doctor and the doctor said she doesn't know what happened, but my eyes changed and I no longer have astigmatism, and I've had them my entire life. My theory is that I basically was wearing these contacts so much. I was wearing these contacts for so long and my eyes just kind of adapted to this shape. That could be completely wrong, and I'm not a doctor, and I'm also not encouraging you guys to do that. I'm just telling you my experience because I've never heard of anyone's astigmatism randomly going away, especially when they've had it their entire life. If you have astigmatism, obviously talk to your doctor. I personally had it and I wore these contacts anyway, so just throwing that out there. So that's basically it. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave them down below. I'll answer all your questions because I know contacts are a big deal and these aren't the cheapest, but they're definitely worth the money. But if you guys want to save some money, you can use my code AllieB. They're definitely worth it because they last an entire year, which is crazy. That is just amazing. But anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends if you guys found it helpful. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.